Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Matt. So in this video, I'll talk about how to create and upload a custom YouTube banner art to your channel instead of having a generic one like this. So the first step, we're going to go into Canva, and I created one already from just a simple logo, my brand logo I created, and I did a little cutout of myself, and I added a subscribe element. And I just added some simple text to the bottom to make it pop. So what we're going to do is go back over to YouTube, and then we're just going to simply download it. So we're going to go to the photo icon, and then we're going to go to select a photo from your computer. And then click on this top one right here. And then adjust the crop. You could look at device preview. And then you could adjust it as well. Bring it down a little bit. And then select. And that's how you create a custom logo. For more ideas and tutorials, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and to check out my blog. Click that link below also.